In a well-run city, it is easy to think that making everything work smoothly is an effortless endeavor. We're so busy in our day-to-day lives that it's easy to assume that our roadways, bridges, and traffic signals are simple and self-running. We forget about our trash as soon as it gets put out on the curb. We forget about stormwater as soon as it goes down the drain. And that keeping our city attractive and well-groomed just happens. But it doesn't. It actually takes a whole department, specifically the Folsom Public Works Department, to make it all come together, to help make Folsom work for you. The Folsom Solid Waste Division is responsible for collecting trash and recyclables throughout Folsom. This service handles more than 39,000 disposal cans picked up by our collections drivers every week. There are a variety of options available to our residents and businesses to properly dispose of different kinds of waste, whether it be for residents' everyday trash and recyclables, or for our commercial location pickups, or for our special waste services such as bulky waste or hazardous material pickups, which each require a pre-scheduled appointment with the city. Street maintenance manages the city's street sweeping program, which, in compliance with state regulations, covers more than 700 curb miles per year. The program cultivates an attractive community, keeps Folsom's storm drain system healthy, and reduces stormwater pollution by eliminating debris and garbage from local waterways. The Street Maintenance Division looks after the city's storm drain system, which is routinely cleaned and serviced using underground video cameras to help assess our storm drainage structures and keep stormwater flowing smoothly. The Folsom Stage Line provides fixed route bus service for convenient travel to Folsom destinations. The Transit Division also provides dial-a-ride service for seniors and disabled passengers. The Traffic Maintenance Signals Division keeps the city's traffic signals and their complex hardware and software running smoothly, as well as caring for pedestrian crossing mechanisms. This group also monitors local traffic signal timing and traffic patterns throughout the city. The Traffic Maintenance Signs Division maintains and makes advisory and regulatory signs, as well as installs intersection and road markers to facilitate safe public travel. The Engineering and Administrative Division is responsible for managing the design, engineering, and maintenance of all transportation-related capital improvement projects for the City of Folsom. The civil engineers in this division oversee and supervise all aspects of the projects, from concept to completion, and throughout the lifespan of the completed structures. The Fleet Division maintains city vehicles, from heavy equipment like garbage trucks to small passenger vehicles. The Fleet Division keeps them all on the road. Folsom's Public Works Department takes pride in maintaining a well-run city. We take pride in our roads, bridges, and traffic signals that operate efficiently to keep the public safe. We take pride in removing waste from our community and keeping our waterways pollution-free. We take pride in keeping our city attractive and well-groomed. The Folsom Public Works Department and its dedicated team work hard every day to help make Folsom work for you.
We are Folsom Public Works!